How to buy AIFlow Web3 token or AIFlow token. So this token came under the symbol of AFT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy all the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. If you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. Now after that, how you can buy this token on MEXC. Now go and log into your MEXC account, as you can see. Now go back to this page and now copy this token symbol called AFT. Now after that, go to search and paste it and you will be able to find this pair. Click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page, as you can see here. Now you are on the buy page. Now click on buy, select the limit. Here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account and click on buy AFT. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to see how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy AFT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.